Isn't that cute? Gosling, isn't that cute? Hmm? The beautiful sunflowers in my garden. Ayan. Oh, only 2 plants, but loaded with flowers. Ayan. With a beautiful bee. There's a bee. Ayan. Beautiful Saturday weekend. It's end of the month. Wishing everyone a beautiful day wherever you are. Take care and be safe. Always. Right, Gosling, Gosling? You take care too with a big horn owl. Okay? So we'll now get for her dinner. Ayan. That's my lovely sunflowers. Here in the backyard along the barn. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful day. Ayan. Maka-happy. So very happy indeed. More selfish this evening. Ayan. Wish you a beautiful and bright weekend wherever you are. Take care always and be safe. Love, Nancy. Oh, so sweet indeed. Yan siya, guys.